Hey guys, what's up? I buried my truck Sunday or Monday. I completely forgot. This is soft as shit. Real bad. I cannot get out of this until it dries. And then over here is where I started to spin because it's soaked as shit because it's been raining. We got out of school one day. First there was a delay, then right when we were fixing to leave, they called and said the school is canceled. And when you get down here with a decent sized mudding tires, you ain't gonna make it back up. Telling you the truth. That shit, you ain't making it. Yep. If you'd like to try, you can try, because my friends at school and some people know where I live. Bring what you got. I'm just joking. You can't. I would get my ass whooped if I did. Even though I own to where that white truck is, all the way down to right here and back here. And they're saying, oh, I don't fucking own it, when they can fuck off. Well, and this is what else. You ain't fucking making it back up. You might with 4-wheel, but you ain't. Okay, I'll see y'all guys later.